Hello guys, I'm Mikey, welcome back to another video. If you're watching this video, you've probably been there. You're in a meeting or a stakeholder call and someone's throwing ideas everywhere. Maybe it's a stakeholder saying, oh, we can make this, we can make that. Maybe it's a colleague saying, oh, we should do this, how about we do this? Or maybe your boss saying, I think we should do this, this, and this. And you get a lot of ideas thrown at you and you have no way to visualize your ideas. Well, using a tool like MagicPath, you can visualize and prototype live directly in your call for the other members of the call to see. So, when you're in MagicPath, you can simply double click to create component, and then you're greeted with this panel on the right side where you can prompt the AI to help you create an idea and help you build an actual component that you can see right here in the view. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create components that you can quickly share and get feedback from your stakeholders, your boss, your colleagues, or you can paste it into a conversation chat and get feedback there. I'm going to show you how you can do that quickly using MagicPath. Now, before we get started, maybe your company has a specific design system, and in MagicPath, you have these default ones, but you can also add your own. And for demonstration purposes in this video, I'm going to go to Tweak CN, and I'm just simply going to copy a design system that I've created. So I'm going to copy this and go back to MagicPath. And if you click on design system at the top, you can import your own. You can paste it here, paste the code here. Click on apply. And I'm actually going to click on new blank system so I can create a new one. Just do that again. Paste it, apply. And then I'm going to click on save. And I can type the name in here. I'm going to call it bold tech. Then I click on save design system. And then if I come here to the top, we have this new design system that I've just created. So an LLM like ChatGPT and just quickly brainstorm. I want to create an onboarding checklist. I need to have 3 to 5 onboarding tasks such as this. I need to have a status indicator. Generate a prompt for me to build this with MagicPath AI. You click on send. And it will give you a prompt here. You can just copy that, go back to MagicPath, and we can select our design system that we're going to use, and we can paste the prompt, and we can enter it and see what MagicPath creates. As you can see, MagicPath will plan and generate the design live in here, and you'll be able to see visually what it's building as it's building it in here. As you can see, it's planning, updating the layout, and other things as well. And you'll see a live preview of what it's actually building in this little box here. So MagicPath is finished generating, and this is what we have. We have a simple checklist here that we can click on. Let's say we've done this, it'll tick it off as you can see. And you could add this like maybe at the bottom corner of your B2B SaaS application or your app or whatever. But let's say that we want this to toggle in and out with an arrow. So add an arrow to the top that can be clicked to toggle the checklist in and out. I'm going to paste that, and it's going to generate that idea, and as you can see, it's going to prototype it and generate this, and we'll come back to it when it's finished. Let's say the stakeholder has given you another idea that you want to quickly prototype. Let's say it's a marketing or a card that pushes free users to upgrade to a pro or premium subscription plan. So I've got my prompt, just going to paste it here. Build a marketing callout component for a dashboard within the application. The component should be a banner or card prompting users to upgrade their subscription. We've got the details there. We can also reference our other component that we built here, and we can say use the same styling. Actually, let's use the same styling as, and we can click on this one, which is our onboarding checklist that we created here, and it's going to reference this design for our new component, and then I'm just going to click on our design system that we created as well, and then I'm going to paste it. And as you can see, MagicPath once again is planning out, and it's already built it. And we can see it has a nice card here that says Unlock Pro Features, take your workspace to the next level with advanced tools and limited access. We've got the different information here, and we have the Upgrade Now button. And then you can obviously add this to your design or your existing dashboard, or you can use it for feedback from your stakeholders, your colleagues, or your boss. You can use this as quick feedback by sharing your screen. You can also open a new tab and you can copy and paste the link, and you can also come into here and click on export as an image and then paste it in a conversation chat or share it with your team. What you can also do in MagicPath is that you can quickly create other versions or variants of this design we made, and you can simply do that by clicking this create variant button here. You can also modify it with a prompt, but for this demonstration I'm just going to click on auto variants. And what you'll see in a few seconds is that MagicPath will have 3 different variants here that will be based off this, but will be styled differently, maybe have a different layout as well. Okay, MagicPath has finished generating the different variants, and now we have in total 4 different options we can share with our stakeholders or our team members to get feedback. We have this one here that has 3 vertical cards here, 3 columns. We've got this one with simple bullet points, and we have this one that's a bit more fancy style than the first one. It's a bit bolder, and it has more like depth to the different divs and cards and elements inside the component. And then you can obviously choose your favorite one, and then you can, I don't know, move forward with that design, implement it into your existing app as well. And let's say you wanted to move forward with this one, you wanted to tweak it a little bit, you could come in here and use this pen icon, which is edit component, and you can click here and you can edit. Let's say you want to edit the color and to make it stand out a bit. You can edit the color here, press save, and it would save. You can also edit the color of this actual card. So we can come into here and then we can increase the opacity a bit, and we can change the color like this. But I think the white look better, so I'm just going to cancel this actually. But you could change the color of the different elements and the card if you wanted to as well. And once you're ready, like I said, you can open this in a new tab and you can preview it in the browser like this. You can then copy the link and paste the link and give the link to your team. What you can also do if you're working with developers, you can click on view the code, and you can also download the code base and open in Cursor as well by using this command in your terminal. So that was a quick demonstration of how you can quickly prototype in MagicPath to use in real time and live in stakeholder meetings and calls to give your stakeholders or maybe your colleagues direct access to the prototype, and you can gain feedback a lot quicker than having to go through iterations and rounds of revisions. You can quickly see what you like, what you don't like, what you can take forward without wasting time and being efficient and proactive. So if you guys have any questions or have any issues or queries, want to know more about how to do this, please let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you guys for watching. Please like, consider subscribing for more MagicPath content and more content on how to integrate different AI tools into your workflow and your processes. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.